Look closely at this familiar kitchen scene. You grab a fresh, crisp carrot, a hearty potato, or a vibrant cucumber, and the very first thing you instinctively do is grab your peeler. It is a habit ingrained in us from childhood. We peel, we slice, and we toss those colorful outer layers straight into the trash or the compost bin. But what if I told you that this everyday culinary routine is actually robbing you of the most potent, health-boosting nutrients your food has to offer? That is right. You are quite literally throwing away the absolute best part of your groceries. Today, we are going to uncover the massive, scientifically backed health benefits hidden within vegetable peels and exactly why you need to put that peeler down immediately. To understand why the peel is so crucial, we have to look at how a plant functions in nature. The skin of a vegetable or fruit is its armor. It is the plant's primary defense against harsh sunlight, relentless insects, and environmental stress. Because it serves as a protective shield, the plant concentrates a massive payload of vitamins, minerals, and specialized defense compounds right at the surface. For example, a baked potato with the skin contains up to 50. Let us talk about one of the most vital nutrients missing from the modern diet: dietary fiber. The skins of vegetables are incredibly rich in insoluble fiber, the kind that does not dissolve in water. This specific type of fiber acts like a natural scrub brush for your digestive tract. It promotes healthy bowel movements, prevents constipation, and feeds the crucial beneficial bacteria living in your gut microbiome. When your gut microbiome is well fed, it reduces systemic inflammation, boosts your immune system, and even improves your daily mood. Furthermore, leaving the skins on your sweet potatoes, carrots, and eggplants adds significant bulk to your meals, helping you feel fuller for much longer and naturally supporting healthy weight management. Beyond fiber and basic vitamins, vegetable skins are an absolute goldmine of powerful antioxidants. Have you ever noticed that the deepest, most vibrant colors of a fruit or vegetable are usually concentrated right in its skin? That brilliant purple of an eggplant, the deep crimson of an apple, or the earthy red of a beet, those colors are actually visible signs of flavonoid and anthocyanin antioxidants. These potent microscopic warriors actively hunt down and neutralize free radicals in your bloodstream, protecting your cells from premature aging, oxidative stress, and chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. By eating the whole vegetable, you are arming your own body with the exact same protective compounds the plant used to survive in the wild. Now, I know exactly what you are thinking right now. You are probably saying, but what about the dirt? What about the harmful chemical pesticides? This is the #1 reason why the peeling habit became so universally adopted in the first place. Nobody wants to chew on gritty soil, and we are all rightfully concerned about consuming agricultural chemicals, waxes, and synthetic sprays used in modern farming. It is a completely valid fear. For decades, home cooks were told that the only way to truly protect their families from these surface-level toxins was to completely carve away the outside of the produce. But science and kitchen technology have evolved, and peeling is no longer the only, or the best, solution to this problem. The real solution to the pesticide and dirt problem isn't destruction, it is proper purification. You do not need to amputate the healthiest part of your food. Instead, you need to elevate your washing routine. A simple rinse under a cold tap is rarely enough to remove oil-based pesticides or stubborn agricultural wax. But with the right technique, you can strip away 99% of external toxins while leaving every single milligram of nutrition perfectly intact. The secret lies in using dedicated produce cleaning tools, specifically firm, natural bristle vegetable brushes combined with advanced food-safe purification technology. This simple paradigm shift in your kitchen prep allows you to eat fearlessly. To make this process completely effortless and foolproof, I highly recommend upgrading your kitchen arsenal with an ultrasonic veggie purifier. Once you make the switch and start leaving the skins on, you will unlock a whole new world of culinary delight. The benefits aren't just nutritional, they are highly textural and flavorful. Think about the incredible, rustic crunch of a skin-on potato wedge, roasted to golden perfection with olive oil and rosemary. Think about hearty, unpeeled carrots glazed in honey, maintaining their structural integrity and earthy bite instead of turning into sad, watery mush. The skins contain complex essential oils and earthy flavor profiles that give your home-cooked meals a restaurant-quality depth. By keeping the peel, you're cooking like a professional chef who understands that texture is just as important as taste. Furthermore, embracing the whole vegetable is a massive step forward for environmental sustainability. Food waste is a staggering global crisis, and millions of tons of edible, highly nutritious vegetable peels end up rotting in landfills every single year. When these organic materials are trapped in landfills without oxygen, they release methane, a potent greenhouse gas. By simply washing your produce properly and eating the skins, you are dramatically reducing your household's organic waste footprint. You get more actual food for the hard-earned money you spend at the grocery store, and you actively contribute to a greener, more sustainable planet. It is the ultimate win-win scenario for your wallet and the earth. So, the next time you start prepping for dinner, I challenge you. Leave the peeler in the drawer. Maximize your fiber. Flood your body with free radical-fighting antioxidants, elevate the texture of your recipes, and do your part in reducing global food waste. To make sure you are eating the cleanest, safest produce possible, do not forget to click the link in the description below to grab your own ultrasonic veggie purifier today. It is a tiny investment that pays massive dividends for your long-term health. If you found this nutritional deep dive helpful, smash that like button, share this video with a friend who always peels their potatoes, and subscribe for more life-changing health tips. Stay healthy and keep eating whole.